Hello friends, my name is Deepak Zalte, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department, KQ Polytechnic Nashik. Today we discuss unit number 5, details to assembly under the subject of mechanical working drawing. What is meant by assembly? A machine assembly or sub-assembly is a combination of various links or parts grouped together to perform some function. A drawing that shows the various parts of the machine or engine in their working position is called as the assembly drawing. And another definition is an assembly drawing is a drawing which shows all the complete drawing of a given machine, indicating the relative positions of various components assembled together, or a drawing that shows the various parts of a machine at their correct working location is known as the assembly drawing. From the study of assembly drawing, one can find the way and sequence in which the various parts are assembled together. This is the definition of assembly. Then steps to prepare assembly drawing. There are 10 steps or 10 stages to draw the assembly drawing. First, select the suitable scale if the space is the problem, and in case of symmetrical view about main center line, only half view may be drawn. Second, at least one view, usually the front view must be show sectional, that is either full section or half section. Then third, no need to show all the dotted lines as the view will become crowded as sectional views show the interior details. Only a few major dotted lines should be drawn or shown on the assembly drawing. Fourth, section line should be drawn 45 degrees to the horizontal different pattern, one draw for the different mating parts. Fifth, compute overall dimension and then make the outline block for each view to be drawn. Then 6, it is not necessary to give all the dimension of all component on the assembly drawing, only the major dimensions are shown. 7. Draw the main part of assembly first and then add the rest of the parts in the sequence of assembly. 8. Prepare the part list. It is usually made right above the nameplate or on the right hand top corner. Take letter height 5 or 10 mm. 9. The title of the assembly drawing is to be written below the view and is of 10 mm letter height. And last is the 10. Complete the title block or nameplate. Nameplate contains the bill of material. The bill of material is the part list of assembly drawing having specific information in a tabular form. This is the bill of material definition. Bill of material contains part number, part name, part material, and quantity required for assembly. In some cases, material size can be added. The above information on assembly drawing is useful at the time of assembly process, manufacturing process, inspection process, etc. Then types of assembly drawing. According to their method, the assembly drawing can further divided into different types. There are 5 different types of assembly drawing. First is the design assembly drawing. Second, layout assembly drawing. Third, installation assembly drawing. Fourth, general assembly drawing. Fifth, working assembly drawing. Then these are types of assembly drawing. First, design assembly drawing. The drawing which is prepared at the design stage on large scale is called design assembly drawing. Second, layout assembly drawing. An assembly drawing will show the method or step for assembling each part with their basic proportion and dimension. It's called as the layout assembly drawing. Third one is the installation assembly drawing. An assembly drawing will show installation position of a part relative to its supporting structure associated component. It's called as installation assembly drawing. Fourth one is the general assembly drawing. An assembly drawing which comprises detailed drawing of each individual part, sub-assemblies and assembly of a machine. Then fifth one is the working assembly drawing, a complete set of drawing which consists of detailed drawing of the individual part and assembly drawing for the location of each part used during manufacturing phase of a product. It's called as the working assembly drawing. It contains all the information needed to manufacture and assemble of a product. Then there are accepted norms to be observed for assembly drawing. As per the code of BIS SP 46 1988, accepted norm for assembly drawing must be observed. Few of them are as follows. First one is the selection of the view. Second one is the section of view. Third one is the hidden line. Fourth, dimension. Fifth, part identification. And sixth, bill of material. Okay. Thank you.